Many leaks and rumors regarding the Galaxy S23 have been revealed, and again this morning we got at the significant leak. This morning the famous insider digital chat stations revealed a few specifications of the Galaxy S23 standard version. As said by the insider, the new standard Galaxy S23 will adopt 6.1 inches 1080p straight display just like the Galaxy S22 standard model, and in addition the insider also revealed that the battery cell's capacity inside the Galaxy S23 model, which is 3900 mAh typical value, and the rated value is 3785 mAh. It has been observed that Samsung has been upgraded the battery capacity by 200 mAh. Another previous leak suggested that the S23 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery, although the leak wasn't hard to believe considering that the brand has offered the same battery capacity for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. There wasn't any concrete proof backing the claim, but today we have an alleged image of the battery of the S23 Ultra. Ice Universe claims to have obtained an image of the Galaxy S23 Ultra's battery just a day on from disavowing the design leaked by it on Leaks. Today a renowned leaker has revealed the color options the Galaxy S23 series will be available in. Cases of the Galaxy S23 puzzle has slowly falling into place. It seems confirmed that the entire range will exclusively be powered by the rumored Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. It also looks like the standard and plus models will adopt the S22 Ultra's camera bump-less design. Ice Universe says that the S23 Ultra doesn't have a symmetrical bezel like the card rendering. It still has a narrow forehead and a wide chain like the S22 Ultra. Moreover, the laser focus sensor and 3x lens of the camera parts are not flat and there is still a little bulge. Also, he confirmed the 3 cameras on the left are going to have the Watch 5 Pro style canvas lenses. Ross Young tweeted to give us the upcoming colors, and these are going to be beige, black, green and a light pink. Now Ross Young is incredibly reliable, and this is also a very small range of colors. To be clear though, he hasn't said that these are the only color options available, and it's just the one that he's seen most likely in the supply chain. I would expect to see more colors than this, especially a white variant for the Ultra. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.